another variety. In the same way that Carmener, he found another variety, but he cannot say what variety was. The Carmener, he said, okay, this is Carmener because I know or I saw some picture of the leaves of Carmener, and this is Carmener. And he found this variety, and he said, okay, I don't know what variety is. We don't have any idea. Nobody knows what it is. He said, what we can do? Let's spell it. Put the name. What name? Chilean Bordeaux. And here is the Chilean Bordeaux. It's a very different variety, and you can find in a lot of places in Chile, but it's a small amount. And the wineries who work with this variety, they use only for blends and to improve the smells. Yeah? It's very good, or very different smells wine. And we try to do it, but when we see the variety, we say, okay, why we don't do alone? And that's why we have the Chilean Bordeaux, and I think we are the first winery in the world that we are working in this wine. We will try. I don't know if you have tried the Chilean Bordeaux.
Yeah, did you name it that because
we have it at the store? We have it at the store.
No.
Well, obviously I had it last time I was here.
Has
2 years ago.
that ever been DNA tested? Has anybody ever tested it? DNA tested it?
I think so.
Yes.
is it close to Petit Bordeaux?
It's totally unique. It doesn't exist anywhere else.
It's not unique. Boursicot said two things. Could it be a French variety who came from France and died in Europe and maintained here for a long time, and nobody knows because you don't have any record of that? Or could it be a mutation of some variety from France or Italy or Spain who came with the... We have almost 500 years working with wine here because the wine arrived with the priest from Spain when they 500 years ago. And in all this time, some variety could mutate and appear that, or it's a French variety died in...
Do you think it was named Chilean Bordeaux because it's most closely related to Petit Bordeaux?
No.
Just that's a arbitrary name?
They just arbitrary name. They say, okay, what name we can put?
Take one out of a hat.
Yes, and Boursicot, and the other guy say, okay, Chilean Bordeaux.
Chilean Bordeaux.
Chilean Bordeaux. Yes.
Well, it's good that he